channel. And guys, 2 weeks ago I purchased the COLOURPOP Powerpuff Girls collection on their website. Here it is. This is the eyeshadow palette, and look at these colors right here. I'm not gonna lie, I love the packing, I love the detail, everything. However, I will be doing the color swatches at the end of this video. Next, I got the roller glosses. As you can see, they're really good. I mean, I smelled them, and trust me, they smell really good. And yes, they're clear glosses. And I remember back in middle school, I used to wear these roller glosses back in the late 90s, early 2000s. It wasn't COLOURPOP, no, it was a different kind of roller lip gloss. And I'm not gonna lie, I am a huge fan of the Powerpuff Girls, which is exactly why I decided to buy their collection. Next we got these cute little blushes. Again, I love their packaging, and this one's called Saving the World. I believe this is a peachy like kind of color, and this one is Fighting Crime. This is like, I believe, a dark pinkish kind of color. I will be doing swatches on these as well. Moving on, we got these cute little color sticks based on the villains: Mojo Jojo, Princess Morebugs, and him. So yeah, I will be doing swatches on these too. Moving on, I got this bath bomb from Soul Body, and I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I won't be using this right away, but in the far future I will be using this. And this smells good actually. I love the smell. Next, there's the lip mask duo, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I used the pink one, and honestly I love the smell. I love the I love the detail. This is sugar and spice and everything nice. So yeah, I will be doing a swatch on one of these. Last but not least, the hair clips. How cute are these? Don't get me wrong, I love hair clips, I really do. I will get to that at the end of the video. So with that being said, let me go ahead and test this eyeshadow out. And by the way, I primed my eyes right before filming. Okay, for the eyes, I will be using the Fashionistas, which is the hot pink right there. And I'm going to apply it on my crease.
I actually did not hear that.
I'm using this little dual brush, fluffy eyeshadow brush.
No, with killing them.
So yeah, I'm gonna be applying that on my crease.
It was a sun.
Using this little dual brush, fluffy eyeshadow brush.
No, with killing them.
So yeah, I'm gonna be applying that on my crease.
Are you on nitro yet?
I have to apply 2 layers of eyeshadow. So far, I'm not getting any eyeshadow fallout. Next color I'm gonna be using Girls Rock, which is, I don't know, dark orange, reddish type of color.
I don't have any of the markers.
And I'm also gonna apply that on my crease. A lot of eyeshadow fallout.
No, it's smooth this time. I have 2D complete. Kia? Which one?
See, this color would be so much nicer if I blend the pink
Why does this name sound familiar?
together. Like, it would be really nice. Next, I'll be using my blending brush, and I'll be blending both colors. Last night, I tried doing the same look for my TikTok video, but for some reason, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to look. So I'm gonna try this look again. This time better. Okay, you guys, so in case you haven't noticed, I did a cut crease and I did this side off camera. So what I'm going to apply next is
Same thing
the
with
shimmery
EOBs.
color,
It's basically
Professor Utonium.
Your serum should always be up by that time. If no
And I'm gonna apply that on my lid. Oh, this is a really nice color. And I love natural colors too. Yeah, this is like my favorite color so far from this palette. So I just finished the rest of my eyes and the lips. The last thing I'm gonna do is apply this color stick, and I'm gonna be using him. And let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, as you guys can see, I used it yesterday, and I will be applying that on my lash line, but not the waterline. Okay, so far it feels creamy. I like the creamy texture so far. Oh my god, it looks so nice. And you can see like the glitter.
See?
And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Oh yeah, I like the texture. And last but not least, I'll be applying one of these blushes. I don't know rather to wear Fighting Crime or Saving the World. Let's see Fighting Crime. Oh, I would apply this blush on me, but at the same time I'm scared. So I don't know. But I will leave this color for another video. I'm gonna be applying Saving the World for now. I love this color. Okay, here it goes nothing.
And then tiles, sorry.
Oh. So far, I love this. I definitely love this color. But at the same time, oh, it's not sure if I overdid it or.
But you're healer this time, so.
But yeah, this should look fine. Now on the other side.
We got a ninja now.
Not bad. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look.
He's in my spot.
This is a look that I would wear to like a party or something, but pink is actually my favorite color. Yeah, let me give you guys my thoughts on this collection. I basically used these 4 colors, and I would have to say out of all the colors in this palette, I would have to say the shimmery color, Professor Utonium, is my favorite color out of all the colors in this palette. What I don't like about this color is the fact that it has so much glitter that I applied a little bit in the corners of my eye, which is driving me insane. Let me show you guys a swatch of the first row. This is the first row, and I haven't used these 2 colors yet. This is the second row, and see how pretty it looks in the lighting. I love this blue glitter right here. And the last 4 colors right here. I love this color the most. Like, it's my favorite color. It's the color sticks. What I love about the color sticks is that it's creamy and I like their texture. Let me do a swatch.
I can't search it unless I have it clicked already.
This is Tim.
The coffer.
Do another swatch.
I logged out.
This is Mojo Jojo. The middle.
No match is found for containing coffer.
Oh yeah, it's definitely creamy. I like the texture. And this is Princess Morebucks.
Nope, I don't have it. Oh.
I absolutely love these colors. Next is the blushes. I'm gonna swatch Fighting Crime, which is the color that I did not put. This is Fighting Crime, the hot pink one, and this one is Saving the World. Wait, let me put a little. Yeah, this is Saving the World. Out of all the 2 blushes, I would have to say this one is the most favorite out of all of the collection. Next is the lip gloss. You won't see much of it. It's just clear lip gloss most likely. So these are the lip gloss. And I'm gonna be smelling Blossom. Let me see how this one smells. Oh wow. This is watermelon. I love the smell of it. Like, it makes you wanna eat the lip gloss. Oh my god. This is Buttercup. If you must know, Buttercup is my favorite. Oh, well, this is Green Apple. I'm not a fan of green apple, but
How much am I supposed to be doing
I mean-
on the answer on a dummy?
I like the smell, but Green Apple, not a big fan. Last one is Bubbles. I love blue. What is it? Blue. Yeah, blue raspberry. Out of all the 3 lip gloss, I would have to say this one is like my favorite. Let me play some.
No. It wasn't on password before. Like, I just put one on. Yeah. Yes.
Like, it smells like real blue raspberry.
It's okay.
And again, out of all the 3 lip glosses, I would have to say this one is my favorite. Next is the lip mask. A quick swatch on these. This is Sugar and Spice. Oh wow. It feels like a lip balm. It's clear, most likely. And this one, Everything Nice, is pink. Next is the Bath Bomb Soap by Soul Body. And again, I won't be using this soap. Well, at least not right now, but, and it's a start. And it smells really good actually. Last but not least, these hair clips. I'm not gonna lie, they're cute, they're adorable, but I don't like the fact that it says COLOURPOP on one of the hair clips. I mean, the characters, they're cute, but me personally, I wouldn't wear something like this unless my hair is down. Well, especially me at the age of 34, I would not wear something like this. Remember when I was a kid, I would wear something like this, but now I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I would see myself wearing something like this. So that is it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment on my video. subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.